I tell her every day.
Alexa, where has time gone? The wait is finally over. Today you officially become my wife. God has blessed me with the greatest gift, and that's you. These past 11 years has been a heck of a journey, and I wouldn't trade the world for it. I know entering this new chapter together will have its ups and downs, but having God and being in the center of our relationship, we can make it through anything. I can't wait to see what God has in store for us. Just in a few hours, you will officially be mine forever. I love you, love Sam.
To my groom on our wedding day, there's no one I'd rather be with than you. Our special day is finally here. No more countdowns. I know I've been stressed planning, but as I'm writing this, I feel so happy because I know no matter what goes wrong, at the end of today, I will be your wife, Mrs. Batista. I never would have imagined that my first love would be this extraordinary. You are and always will be the love of my life. Today is a new start for us to live our lives as one. Our wedding day will be the best day of our life. I can't wait to spend forever with you, boo. Love, your bride.
Don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say when I see your face.
Alexa, today I get to make the easiest decision of my life. That's being your husband. I promise to keep myself open to you, to support you, cherish you, and grow old with you. I promise to love you in good times and in bad. And most importantly, I promise to always keep God in the center of our relationship.
Sam, I feel so lucky that you have given me all of your love and show me different ways you love me every day. I promise to be your best friend and always be there for you when you need me. I promise to love you unconditionally through the good times and the bad times. I love you and I'm very excited that I get to keep loving you forever.
Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing.